Air ratchets, electric ratchets, they're great, especially when they function the way they're supposed to. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you something that happened to mine. But if you haven't already, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Check out my channel content for more, and hey, have fun! My Bluepoint air ratchet developed a problem, and it's actually a really common problem among these Bluepoint air ratchets. And it's where when you apply the trigger to depress the air through the whole air ratchet, it doesn't shut off. And that actually happened to mine, as you could probably tell in the later clip. And it's just a really simple fix. I mean, yes, you could just go out and buy yourself an electric ratchet or a new air ratchet, but this Bluepoint air ratchet, it was just such a simple fix with a $4 part. With that being said, let's head on to the video. Button's not working. And what the result of that is, when you apply some air to it, it doesn't stop. So what's happening is that this is the little lever right here. It's not stopping. And what I'm going to try and do is see if my part that I got for it will fix it. Just stick it in my vise on the edge of this toolbox. And because I actually don't want to hurt the casing, I'm going to take these two pieces of wood and stick it in between. There we go. Sweet. Here's the ratchet, air ratchet. Right there, we have to unscrew this piece of plastic. Now be careful, it is just a plastic cap. We're going to set it aside. We've got to loosen it from the vise. I'm going to tap out that spring, and that's what I was trying to get. And then that's the actual switch itself. Now there's nothing holding this in place. There's actually supposed to be a piece between the little switch, the spring, and the back. That piece is this little tiny nylon. I don't know if you can see it. It's this little piece of nylon that just deteriorates over time. And luckily it's only a $4 part. So here's the part number so you can see. What I'm going to do is just open this up, slide it out, and that's my little nylon piece. That's supposed to just sit right on the end of the spring. Air ratchet back inside of the vise for the moment. Okay, there we go. Put the little rod in. Make sure that that goes in straight. Pencil, push it down. This I want to do as one piece. So I'm going to take this new part and put it on the end. What I'm just going to do is I'm going to carefully set that in at the edge, just like that. Sweet. Stick the back on it. Hopefully this remedies the issue. It's snug, and then if I need to tighten it up, I can tighten it up if it leaks air. Now that the parts are installed, I'm going to apply the air hose again, and hopefully it won't be spinning. Ready? Okay, sweet. Let me hit the button a couple times. Oh yeah. Let's see if the back other way goes. It works again. That's all it needed, was that little $4 part. In this case, it worked perfectly. Pretty happy now, because now I've got a Bluepoint air ratchet that doesn't leak air, works as it should, and yeah, we got that. So there's an easy fix. As you just saw, it's actually a really simple thing to fix. And I mean really, really simple. Now, I don't know why more people don't know about this or can't find the parts, but it's a really simple thing to fix. And it brought life to my air ratchet once again, that it can see the day of light for a lot longer. Now, you can easily just go out and buy another one if you really wanted to, but I mean, between this one, my electric, and even just the fine tooth ratchet, I mean, I don't even know why I even decided to fix it, but I mean, it works again, and that's what matters to me. So maybe I'll gift it down to somebody else. If you found this helpful, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that like button for me. Don't forget to subscribe though, and have fun.